Animals that look normal today but were not normal in ancient times. Number 1. Dogs. Today we see friendly pets, but their ancient relatives looked like bear dogs. Large, muscular predators with nothing cute about them. You wouldn't pet one, you'd pray it doesn't see you. Number 2. Millipedes. Now they're tiny and harmless. But millions of years ago, they grew so huge a human could have ridden one. Imagine seeing that in your backyard. Number 3. Sloths. Today they move slowly and live in trees, but their ancient ancestors were giants on the ground, bigger than cars and strong enough to flip one. Gentle now, terrifying before. Which one surprised you the most? Comment it.